Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel again. Did you miss Notcoin that just ended mining a few days ago? Please don't miss this particular one right now. Exactly. Now, for some of us who don't know what is going on in the crypto world, now the Telegram used to know as a kind of social media or some kind of WhatsApp alternative is becoming a crypto hub. Yes. Yes. Do you know now we have a ton coin that is, a kind of a native token for Telegram? Are you aware that Telegram has now, you can have a wallet, a crypto wallet on Telegram? So, most of these coins that are based on Telegram is superb. Now, let me tell you about a bit before we go into this. Notcoin, if you go online, now there's a ton coin that is already on the market. When you're talking about Notcoin, you can easily convert your Notcoin to that particular coin. Now, another program that is exactly like Notcoin has come. Remember that Notcoin didn't last that much, and they said it, they announced it. We're not going to be true. So everyone who took the advantage, they got something. Was able to mine more than 600,000 of that coin, and I have it on me and with me on Telegram. Another one has come. Please don't miss this. I take God beg you, like my people will always say. So let me show you exactly how to do this on Telegram. You're going to see the link. You click on that link. That's the first thing to do. I click on the link. That's the sign up link. Now let's go. Once you click on that link, you're going to find yourself on Telegram. Okay, you're going to get here, then click on send message. You're already on Telegram. You're going to get there right now. Okay, you start the bot. You start the bot. Now you can click on join community. You can click on play and earn and order. Let's go with play and earn first. To launch this web app, you will need to connect to its website. It's okay. Exactly the way the Notcoin works. Just let's get it. Once it gets open, you're going to find yourself at this page. From Telegram, it's going to ask you to, click to visit the website itself. So you're going to do that, and now you can as well join this about the Telegram, the website, the whatever to earn more. But this is start playing. Click on start playing. Downloading memes. Please wait a bit. It's okay. Some of these games are something on your own. You're definitely going to learn it. All you need is this tapping you see me doing here. You understand? You see what you have here now, 50,000 opportunity to tap. So as you are tapping, that's the energy. The energy is going down. It's going down. Okay, look at it. The energy is the one at the right. So the more you tap to earn, the energy is going down. Now, if you look at it, every tap gives only one. So, but when you boost it, you can go to booster and boost it. And when you boost it, you'll be earning more than that. But as a beginner, you can just make do with this. So once this, look at it. This energy you're seeing here is going down. Once it runs down to zero, you can't mine, but you stop a bit, it starts recouping and all that. So it's something you can keep doing and doing and do. Once the energy is down, you give you a chance after you continue. So this is how to end this. Remember, this is exactly something like this. That was how the Notcoin worked. I'm still at level 1. You get to a place, you get to, you join, you get to higher level. When you complete certain things, you get to higher level. Depends on what you've got so far. You can increase your earnings by, following their social media pages, joining groups, and all that. This is looks so funny, but don't neglect them at all. Don't. These are Telegram coins right now. These coins are making waves. They are important. Telegram has gone full into crypto. So don't see Telegram as like your WhatsApp or so. Don't do that. They are not. It's okay. Now to increase your earning, you can also invite. When you click on invite, you'll be able to get your referral link like you have it here right now. 2,500 coins for invite, to invite someone. So whoever that joins, you earn that. So you can see how massive it is. Okay. I just moved back. Go back again to start playing. So that's exactly how this stuff works. Now let me just follow their X handle. I follow. Let me join their Telegram. I join it. Let me see. Okay. So since it's new, other earning opportunities will keep coming up. Keep coming up. If you miss Notcoin, please don't miss this one. Okay, that's exactly how this works. If I want to check my full earning here now, I go here, look at where I type under menu. I can check some things here. This is also my invite link. I can copy the invite link here. Playing, referral system, guide, website, commit, social media, and so on and so forth. So I can always come up here to start up again. So get the link now and start mining. Let's go right now.